Welcome to this video about the essential basic cleaning tools that every home should have. Keeping your home clean is not only important for aesthetic purposes, but also for your family's health. By implementing the right tools and cleaning schedule, you can maintain a healthy living environment. In this video, we will discuss the basic cleaning tools that every homeowner should have. First on the list is the vacuum cleaner. This is the most basic essential cleaning tool that every home should have. It helps you to remove dirt, dust, and debris from the floor and other surfaces. A good vacuum cleaner should have strong suction power, a filter system, and the ability to clean various surfaces. There are different types of vacuum cleaners. Some are cordless handheld, while others are upright or canister vacuum cleaners. The Broom and Dustpan come in handy when you need to sweep the floor to get rid of large debris. Unlike a vacuum cleaner, a broom can also be used to clean tight spaces like corners and under the furniture. A dustpan helps you to collect the dirt and debris and discard it. It is always advisable to use a broom and dustpan before vacuuming, as it helps to protect your vacuum cleaner from damage. Microfiber cloths are perfect for cleaning surfaces that require a gentle touch. These cloths are designed to clean surfaces without damaging them. Because of their high absorbency, they can also be used for wet cleaning chores. Microfiber cloths can be used dry or wet. They are washable, so you can use them over and over again. They are also eco-friendly since they reduce waste from disposable cleaning cloths. Rubber gloves protect your hands from harsh chemicals and cleaning agents, which can cause irritation and dryness. When cleaning, it is essential to protect your hands from the harmful effects of the chemicals you are using. They also protect your skin from dirt and bacteria. Choosing a pair of rubber gloves with a thickness that suits the job you're doing is important. In conclusion, having the right cleaning tools is crucial for maintaining a clean and healthy home. A vacuum cleaner, broom and dustpan, microfiber cloths, and rubber gloves are some of the basic items that every homeowner should have. Having these essential tools will make your cleaning tasks more manageable and ensure that your home remains clean and healthy for your family.